Today, we're going global without breaking the bank, as we break down exactly how to call internationally with Mint Mobile. First, let's talk about the international dialing format. You'll need to start with the international access code. Typically 011 or plus depending on where you are. Next, you will input the country code, which is a 1 to 3-digit number identifying the country you're calling as shown above. Finally, you'll add the local phone number, usually the area code and the phone number itself. Now, how do you find these country codes? Don't worry, it's easy. You can find them on the Mint Mobile website, search online, or use a number lookup site. For example, the United States and Canada use +1 if you don't start with the right number. You will have problems connecting to the phone number you want to reach. Mint Mobile offers international calling, and you can check the rates on their website or app. You can choose between pay-per-minute rates or add international calling credits to your account. Adding credits will give you a set amount of international call minutes. To make an international call, dial the access code followed by the country code, and then the phone number. So, start with plus, followed by the country code, like 33 for France, and then the rest of the number. For instance, calling somebody in France would look like this. Check your Mint Mobile app or online account to see your international calling options and activate any add-ons. You can usually manage these features in your account settings, making it easy to control your international calls. So, there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to connect with friends, family, and colleagues around the world using Mint Mobile. Happy calling!